Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete all extra row and column in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data to this spreadsheet, but some columns and rows are empty. Now we want to delete all extra columns or rows. At first, select the all cell on your sheet, click and drag on your mouse, then press Ctrl G on your keyboard and go to the special menu. Select the blank option, click OK. We can see here automatically select the all blank row and column. Click right button, select the delete option. Now I am check mark on the entire row, then select OK. We can see we delete the entire row easily. You want to select the column, then press Ctrl to select multiple column, click right button and click delete. Now we can see we delete all extra row and column in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.